Welcome. This is Jamb here. 2014 government past question. Question number 3 says the process of taking part in political and public affairs can be termed political dash. The process of taking part in political and public affairs can be termed political dash. Option A says recognition. Option B says culture. Option C says participation. Option D says socialization. So when we talk of the process of taking part in in, polit- in political and public affairs, it can be called political dash. So that process is called political participation because it means a involvement in the political activities of the state. So it's called political participation. Option C is correct. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more videos.